are only an opening tag. Then there are examples. The breaking tag inserts a line break within the text. As I've shown you, this is the breaking tag. So it just break this line and create an empty line there. So let's go and say it on the web page. There is an empty line, there is an empty line, there is an empty line. We've achieved those empty lines through the break tag, through the break tag, through the break tag, through the break tag. But notice one thing. Don't think that if you don't write break and you skip a line, and think that, no, this code will just skip a line and then print conductors. Nah, that's not gonna happen. Look at it. There's no break. You might have just skipped the line here when you are writing a code, but the web browser does not recognize white spaces. It does not recognize. It only reads the HTML. It only reads the HTML code. So let me just put that. So let me fix that. Yes, let me break. Put break there. And then voila. Break worked. Yes. And also let's continue. And also we have an image tag. So are listing examples of an empty text. Now we have an image tag. So this one just put an image into an HTML document. So let's say it. So look at it, look at the image tag. It does not have a closing tag. So that's why we're saying this one is an empty tag. And as you can see, it puts what? It puts an image there. It puts an image there. Look at it. This is the image. This is the image. And then let's see again, import. Import defines an import field for user input. So we have again an import tag. So an import tag now defines an import field, for user input. So let's go and try to write it there. Again on our contact section. So just use this one. Let me just put that input. And then I put the value is equal to, and I put message, and then I put message supposed to be inside there. Then I put the type is equal to, then I specify the type of input, it's text. And then I can create a button there, a button, then write it submit, is submit, and then type its text, type its text. So we have an input field, and on the input field we have written message. Then the type of input, it's text. Then next to the input there is a button. there is what? There is a button. So let's go and see now on the web page. Is see, there is message. There is submit button, so that the user can press here. You write your text there. Write your text there. Hey, how much to replace a screen? Then you press submit. Then the message goes to your email, or it goes to your database, or it goes to whatever, or to a server. Yes, you choose yourself where do you want your message to go after a user press the submit button. So now we're talking about what? An empty tag. Look at the input tag. It does not have a closing tag. So that's why we're calling it an empty tag, because it does not have a closing tag. Am I recording? Let me see. Oh, yes, recording. Yes, let's continue. All right. And then we have a meta tag. So a meta tag provides metadata about the HTML document. Oh, is it? Let's go and see. So when we talk about the metadata, so that means we're focusing on the head section. So let's write a meta tag here. Meta. Let's just say character set is equal to UTF-8. Then I close my tag. So what does that mean? It means that I want this web page to be able to translate all the formats of text, symbols, or numbers on my web page. So this is what this meta tag does, the character set. And then let's continue. Let's go a link. A link defines the relationship between the current document and external resource. So we're talking about style sheet there. This one I will come back to it when we are talking about CSS. Yes. And then we have HR. Defines a thematic break or horizontal role between the content. So let's try that. HR. Let's put it there. HR. Let's see what will happen. Yes, you see, there's that horizontal line there. There is that horizontal line. So if we want to separate, we want to make this one a header, and this one a body, this one a footer. So let's put this line. So I'll just put it there, horizontal line, and then again I have to is I'm separating my code, so my web page into yes. So now my web page is separated into three also. So I'm supposed to put it there. So let's fix that. HR is HR. So now look at my web page. It's separated into three sections. So on the first section, there is information about the company. And then on the maker section, we have services that the company is offering. And then on the third section, which is this one, there is contact information. So this one is called a header, a body, a footer. But we'll do that in upcoming chapters. Okay, so let's go and talk about the container tags. What are container tags? Okay, before I go to container tags, guys, do we now understand what is an empty tag?
Yes, I do.
Does this make sense now? The content, are you following? Is it interesting? Is it exciting?
Mahle, mna ndifuna
Yes.
undicacisele phaa ku-button ne. Njengoba ubutton
Yes.
wakho umfakile, the message that you are writing uyibhala kwi-web page or uyibhala now you're creating your web page, or where are you writing the message?
The message, it's someone who's going to write a message is the user. Someone will be using a website. It's not the coder.
Or
Everything
it's
that
not
is
the
on
code?
this side, everything that is written on this side, a user will not be able to say it. So obviously that means now a user now will enter a message here. A user will enter a message here and then
Okay.
send it. Yes, press send. Then the message will
Okay.
go to the server or to your email or to your database.
So tell me something.
Yes.
So tell me something. Do you set the answers from your server, or what do you do so that you can be able to answer the questions that are written by a customer? Do you set your messages as your answers there, or what do you do? Because they will ask different questions, most definitely.
Yeah, obviously, like they will ask different questions. So now the thing is, you have to put a label, a field, another field like this one, for users to put an email so that you can answer to the email. You see, there will be another. Okay, let me just create it so that you can see. I can take this one as it is, and then let me do it like this. And create that one. Copy. Let me put it on top. Control V. Email. And type text, button submit, and then let's go there. So look now. There is what? There is, you type your email, Cyrus 24 shift at gmail.com. You type your message. How much? How much? How much to repair a charging pin? A charging pin. So you press submit, and then the form will be submitted to your email or to whatever. But you have to have only, let me put only one submit button. Yes, let me put only one submit button. Yes. So when you press the submit button, your email and the message will be submitted to your server or to your email. You are the one who will choose where to submit your form. So this form can be submitted to your email or to your server. And then you will choose yourself whether you want to call the person. So if you want to call the person to answer the message, you have to add another field for number. Let's add another input field for number. So let's add another input field for number. Let's just say input, and value, and let's just say cell number. Cell number, the type, let's make it text, and then let's look at it. So now look at the form now. It has a cell number, an email, and the message. So we will receive a cell number, an email, and the message. And then you will choose for yourself whether you want to respond using email or you want to respond using a cell number to your client. So now, do you understand, Tuli? Tool is still here.
Yeah.
Do you
Yes, I do
understand?
understand, but ikhona into endi-interested ngayo. I think undiphendulile on this one, ne? But I
Yes.
think the one that I want to know is that when your customer clicks the submit, and then they will immediately
the message
get
that
a response.
the response will be saying the form is submitted successfully when you press the submit with the submit button.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I can see what you I think I get what you want. Let me just go there and try. Okay, let me go there to my folders so that I can show you what you are looking for. I see what you are looking for, but go to, where is this thing? Web development. Yes, you are there. Oh, what's this one? Yes. Yes. So when you are looking for something like this one, when you press one like this one, then there's a message that will come, an answer.
Wait, this one.
Yes. Yeah, this one is called a
Yes.
chatbot. This one is called a chatbot. It's very expensive to create because it takes a lot of time. This one is called a chatbot. You see, this is your AI. It has a time there. Hello there, ready and back on Tech Advantage. I'm your friendly AI companion. Just pick a number: cybersecurity, consulting, website development, mobile app, computer repair, and software installation. So just type a number and then the answer will pop up immediately. So you can customize this based on, you can create questions there, lots of questions. How much is a screen protector? How much? And then this AI will answer those questions. You are the one who creates those questions. Yeah, let me show you the code. I wrote this by myself.
Okay, I get you.
Yes. This is the code for it. But now, let me not show you the code. This is gonna go online. So yeah, yes. So did you get what you were looking for? So we are called Tole. Are you still here?
Yes, I did.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm
So
good. Yes,
yeah,
I'm
so that
here.
one is that one is an AI. This one it's a form. When you press here, it's gonna respond. Form is submitted successfully. You see? Yes. So let's continue. So guys, did you understand what is an empty tag? Moving to container
Yes,
tags. Are we good about empty tags?
yes, we are good about them.
All right, all right, all right.
Eh,
Now let's go to container tags. Container tags are HTML tags that come in pairs, an opening tag and closing tag. For instance, let's look at the root element, which is HTML. Let's go and look for it. This one, it's the root element. It has the opening tag and the closing tag. So this one is called a container tag. Let's look at the head tag. A head tag has both opening tag and a closing tag. Called a container tag. Let's look at the title tag. A title tag has both opening tag and a closing tag. So it's called a container tag. So guys, do you understand container tags?
Yes, we do understand.
yes, we do.
Yes, let's proceed. So let me go to this one. So now we're going to focus on the HTML attributes. Now HTML attributes provide information about the element. They provide information about the element. And you have to know that attributes are always specified in the opening tag. And now look at this color. I've used this color to specify the name of the attribute and the value of the attribute. So these are just key. So this is a syntax of the attribute. We have an opening tag. This is the opening tag. You have your tag name, you have the attribute name, you have the value of the attribute. Let's go quickly to the examples. The first one is meta cassette UTF-8. This one is called meta character set. It's called meta character set. It's called meta character set. Look at that color there, which is this one. This is the tag. Sorry, this one is the tag name. This one is the tag name. This one, it's what? This one, it's a attribute name. This one is the value. Name correspond with this color. Value correspond with this color. Do you understand it? Do you understand what I was trying to do by putting this into this color and putting that in that color? I wanted to differentiate between the name and the value. This is the tag name. This is the name of the attribute. This is the value of the attribute. Do you understand, guys? Attributes are very important.
Yes, we do.
Yes. So examples, we have meta cassette, like, so I've already explained that one. Now we have another one, which is very, very, very important, which is, now it's again, it's a meta tag. I have another meta tag. The first one is for displaying the characters, symbols, and numbers. Now we have the second, which is meta. Now this one, it's for the responsive web design. Oh God, what is that? Responsive web design. I don't know that. I don't know that. Responsive web design. Responsive web design. This is responsive web design. It makes sure that your content fits, whether on a cell phone, on a tablet, or on a laptop. Whether you have a small screen, a bigger screen, the website must maintain its layout and also colors, fonts. So you are able to customize. So let me just also put this one here. So it's written here. It's meta. The name is equal to viewport. Viewport is the content is equal to the content, its width is equal to device minus width, and then I think there's another one here, initial scale. There's initial scale. So these are attributes. Initial scale is initial scale. Initial scale is equal to 1.0. Then I close. So this is the tag name. This is the attribute name. This is the value of the attribute. This is the attribute name. This is the value of the attribute. This is the value of the attribute as the whole. This one. Oh, wait a minute, what's going on? Width is equal to device minus width is, that is the value. Width is equal to device minus width, that is the value. Then you have again attribute name and its value, which is 1.0. Yes. So let's continue, guys. Yes. So again, guys, let me ask you, do you understand attributes? Okay, let me also specify, let me put another attributes there. So let me put okay, let's do this like this one. Let's use an anchor tag, there. Let me use it there. So we have an anchor tag, which is called this one. So let's specify attribute name, it's age, reference, and then let's put the value there. So visit my web page, page, Okay, let's just say visit. Let's just say for more about us. So this one is the content. This one is the opening tag. This one, closing tag. This one, it's the attribute name, and I'll put a value here. This is called this one is called an anchor element. It's used for the hyperlinks. When you click here for more about us, it will redirect you to this page, whatever page that will be here. So let me go and look for a page. Let me go there to LinkedIn. Go to my profile there. Contact info. Let me take that. And then let me put it there. Now this one becomes a value of, this one becomes a value. This one, it's the name of the attribute. This is the value of attribute. So let's go on the web page and see what's happening. For more about us, okay, let's just let's put a break there so that this cannot display like that. So let's put a break after. Put a break there. Yes. Another break, you see, it's not giving nice vibes. So let's put another break. Then, yes, now it's much better. So when I click here, it's gonna take you directly to my web page. For more about us, look, we're inside this page, but you want to go to another page. Look at it. It took you from that page to another page. Are you still following, guys? Are you still with me? Or
Yes, we're following. No, Sakamamen.
All right, all right. Tola, are you still here? Or we have fallen asleep?
Tikhona tikhona.
Oh,
Tikhona.
all right. So, guys, based on everything that I've been doing, is it interesting, exciting? Are you following? Are you understanding? Give me a feedback.
Ewe Mahle, it is interesting, but I think we need to practice, we need to do more exercises so that xa sibhuda and then sibane sibuya sirectifya, because I don't think it will be useful for us uba sithathe yonke le information and not practice anything because izolibaleka, izoflasha obvious. So I think iyanida uba sibane senza more exercises,
Yes.
ubane usijonga uba sisaqhuba kakuhle, and then more and more, like now we are here kwezi tech names and stuff, so usibone uba siyakhula from creating just a plain page going to links and stuff, then ubone phaa ke ngoku uba we are following.
Yes. So this one, what I'm teaching today, it's very important because these are the basics. And if you have these basics, then you can create a new web page. I'm telling you, If you know these basics, you can create any web page of your choice. These are the most important basics of HTML, starting from the declaration there to the root element, to the metadata, body element, import, buttons, anchor for hyperlink, empty tag, which is break for breaking tags, paragraph tags, heading tags, H1, the most important level of a heading, which you write it once, an image tag. Oh, that one. We'll use it a lot. We'll use it a lot. Okay. Let me try something else now. Let's just try something else now. Let's try a background there. A background image. Background image. And let's go and look for a picture that we can use as a background. Where's pictures? Pictures. Pictures. I don't have pictures. The notes. Let's take that one. Incorporate. Can I copy it here? Let me go outside. Exercise 1, and then paste the image there. There's the image. URL. And then I put the image. It's image that there it is. Let's see. I think what's going on? I think I'm not live again. Let me press live. Go live. Yes. Look at it now. I have an image as a background. So let me change. God. And let me do this. Okay. I'm gonna put that thing in there. I want to change. Let's just change color now. Let me put color. Let me use this one, blue violet. Let's see. Yes. So you can change your color. You can specify the background as image. So yes. So let me see what else I did not touch today. That was meant for today. Nothing. So I think let's call it a day. Let's stop right there so that I cannot flood you with lots of information. But today's lesson, was it understandable, exciting? Did you get something? Will you sleep with something? Will you be able to create a basic web page that looks like this one? Or that looks like this one? Because this one, it's an exercise for you to do. And I think it's simpler. It's very simple. It's very simple. So let me close this recording. So how was it, guys?